Last week, somebody asked me if there was like a magic formula on how to hit six figures in your wedding business, and there actually is a really simple formula. So I'm gonna break it down step by step for you here. Let's break down the steps to $100,000. So the first step is to figure out, what do you charge for your average wedding? We figure that out. You're just gonna take your revenue that you made in a year, so let's take last year, and divide it by the number of weddings that you did in that year. For example, if you did $30,000 in revenue and did 10 weddings, that's an average of $3,000 per wedding. You average $3,000 per wedding, then you're gonna need to do 34 weddings to hit $100,000. Step two is, okay, well, how do we book those 34 weddings? First thing we need to do is to figure out what your funnel conversion rate is. And if you don't already have a copy of my leads inquiry tracker where you can track exactly what your conversion rate is, just let me know in the comments and I'll send it over to you. The average conversion rate on warm leads is 40%. And that's what I teach my students, is how to always ensure that you're getting a 40% conversion. But the average conversion rate on listing sites, if you advertise with listing sites, those are colder leads, is 10%. So for the sake of this example, I'm going to use a 20% conversion. This means that we're booking 20% of all of the leads that ever come into our business. So for every 10 leads that come in, you're booking 2. Using that 20% conversion rate and knowing that we need to book 34 weddings to hit our six-figure mark, that means that we're going to have to get 170 leads this year. Which sounds overwhelming. It sounds like a lot, but if you break it down by month, that's less than 15 leads per month that we need to take in to hit our six-figure mark.